Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving on Ocean Boulevard in downtown Kingston. Now this is some of the best real estate in Jamaica, also in the city of Kingston. Outside of New Kingston, this is probably the most sought after real estate in the city. And the reason for that is downtown Kingston has been transformed into a much nicer area, and their government is doing an excellent job in fixing up downtown Kingston, giving incentives to companies to move back down. So the building on the left is the Office Center building, which is one of the tallest buildings in Kingston. It's a commercial building where you rent office space, etc. Now this building on the left coming up is Ocean Towers, which is also one of the tallest buildings in Jamaica, and it's a residential building with apartments that people rent. Now on the right is the Kingston Harbour, so you have a wonderful view, and as you can see, the area is so nicely maintained. This Ocean Boulevard. Okay, now on the left we're coming up to the Rok Hotel, and this is also one of the tallest buildings in Jamaica. And the hotel recently reopened. This building was the Oceana Hotel, and then it was used by the Ministry of Health, and then ROK took it over. On the right is Ocean 7, which is a restaurant complex. And then as we continue around now, on the left is the Jamaica Conference Center, and this is the second largest conference center in Jamaica. Only the Montego Bay Conference Center, which recently opened, is larger. And on the right you can get a spectacular view of the Kingston Harbour. Now straight ahead, that's the Bank of Jamaica building, which is also one of the tallest buildings in Jamaica, and that's the Central Bank for Jamaica. And then that building with the black glass, that is the Scotia Center, which is actually the second tallest building in Jamaica. Only the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel, located in New Kingston, is taller. So you can see a lot of activity on Ocean Boulevard, as a lot of those buildings overlook the Kingston Harbour. So we're now going on to Duke Street in downtown Kingston. Now Duke Street is most famous most popular because of Gordon House, which is where the Parliament of Jamaica meets. Now that building is quite old, and a new building is to be constructed by National Heroes Circle, and that will house a new Parliament building in Jamaica, as well as other government agencies. I think the Ministry of Education and the Ministry of Finance and Ministry of Local Government should have new buildings in that complex as well. So this is Duke Street, and I'll point out Gordon House to you as we drive by it. Okay, so on the left now, that is George William Gordon House, or for short, they call it Gordon House. So straight ahead is National Heroes Park, and we're going to be turning on to National Heroes Circle. That building to the right, that's the Ministry of Education building. To the left is the entrance to National Heroes Park. And that's the Ministry of Education on the right. On the right is the Ministry of Labour and Social Security. So when the new Parliament building is built and the entire area is renovated, you should have new buildings for these ministries. And on the right is the Ministry of Finance. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.